Hi everybody, it's Mindy. I'm back. I'm trying to get these books unboxed so I know what I have. If you watched the last one, you realize I have a duplicate of one because I didn't realize I already had it coming. Anyhow, there you have it. All right. So what do I have this time? Let's show you. I have the Reveal book box. Reveal. Yes. I like this one. It's got fun stuff in it. Every time it has fun stuff. Like, okay, this little sticker on the front, it says, caution, contents may be hot. There's a flame and a match. Let's see if I can show you. There. Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't know. It's cute though, the sticker. All right, then when you get through the sticker underneath, you get all of this pink and white. Woohoo! Look. Anybody like to play with that? I don't know, some people probably do. Okay, stay over here. It smells again. This box always smells really good when you open it because there's always one of these in here, a candle. They have these little tea light candles in here. There's always one in here. You can order more candles, I think, if there's a coupon here or something. Yeah. Candle subscriptions are available at Krafts. All right, what is this one? Caribbean. You don't even have to get close to it. Caribbean teak wood is what it is. It smells really good. Called From the Candle Crust. That's the name. They have a website too. They're in Illinois. Huh. Hand poured. It smells really good. You guys, it smells super good. All right. What else did we get? Oh, we got candy. Candy. We got little candies here. Are they mints? I don't know what they are. They're just little candies. I don't know. Candy. All right. What else do we have in our box? We always get like new promotional things for new books. All right. Oh boy. These books sometimes. Whoo. All right. So what books do we have coming up? What are we advertising for? This one just is a bookmark from Romance Reveal book box. You can get the book box, Reveal book box, in different genres. I get the romance. Okay. Escaping reality one page at a time. It's just a bookmark. All right. This is a bookmark as well, but this one is advertising a new book. Fair Lakes series has two authors, Kaylee Ryan and Lacey Black. Okay. There's quite a series. It's not over, just getting started, and can't fight it. There you go. Yeah. So a couple of authors working together, working on this series, a book called the Fair Lakes series. That sounds pretty interesting. You know me, I love series. I love my series. Okay, this one is a door hanger. Go away. I'm busy falling in love with my next book boyfriend. You gotta love that. I was just talking about this the other day in our book discussion group. Yeah, our group discussion live. I was talking about this. Go away. I'm busy falling in love with my next book boyfriend. I was talking about book boyfriends. Yep. This one is a magnet advertising a book. Oh, this is a cowboy romance. It's called Wanted. It's book 1 by Kelly Elliott. It's cowboy. You know how I can tell? I mean, look. They got cowboy boots on. See? It's a cowboy romance. That's right up my alley. I might have to check that one out further. Here's another item that's going to advertise probably a book. Let's see. It's all packaged up here. What's it say on the front? Ava Charles, Sinfully Delicious Romance. Okay, this looks like it's a little compact, a mirror. It is. Hello. Yep. So that's all it says on the front. Ava Charles, Sinfully Delicious Romance. All right, that's cute. Nice. And then, another pen. Yes, they've been putting pens in the boxes. The last one, oh my gosh, the last one was really nice. Really, really nice. This one, oh man, which way is it? Let's see. I don't know. It's hard to read it. What's it say? Lauren Helms. Nerdy, flirty, touch of heart. All right. another pen, and another book advertisement. So that's cool. I think we're down to the books. I believe we're down to the books. I don't think there's anything else in here except all this fun stuff that's now all over me. Yeah. Okay. Let's corral it. Let's get it in here. There. I think I got it all. Get in the box. Get in. No, I didn't get it all. There's more. Get in the box. Okay. There we go. In the box it goes. All right. So we have 2 books here. Oh, well, very different. Both of them are quite different. All right. Let's start with this one. It's called A Righteous Man by J. Crownover. So he is a righteous man, okay, with a lot of tattoos, by the way. I don't know if the character in the book has that many tattoos, but the cover guy certainly has a lot of tattoos. I believe these are autographed, and I forget to tell you guys that. Even Stars Fall. J. Crownover. Yeah, Even Stars Fall. See? Autographed. Okay. Well, what does that mean? Even Stars Fall. Salinger. Guy's name is Salinger. Never heard of a Salinger before? I haven't. Salinger Dolan. You know his name. You've seen his face. You've spent money on the endless amount of useless, crappy endorses. Of course, you've heard the stories. You know the ones. The one that claimed he was hard to work with and totally unprofessional on the set. Okay, so he's a movie star. Okay. One where he got caught doing drugs on the set of a family-friendly show. Well, you know, it happens. People aren't always what they appear on TV or movies, right? There's more truth to the stories than his fans want to believe, because Salinger is the kind of thoughtless, careless, dangerous Hollywood bad boy that paparazzi and fame-hungry starlets just can't get enough of. Well, he's one of them bad boys, right? I bet you he's going to meet just like the sweetest, kindest, just gentle girl. Am I right? Let's see. Well, her name is Marin. Okay, in comes Marin. You might recall her name. It's possible you vaguely remember her face. You were probably wondering where she went. After all, you have heard the stories. The one where she exposed Salinger's drug use. The one that said she tried to ruin his career because she was envious of his popularity. Enemies to lovers. Okay, can we say that? Yeah. Marin is now known as the comeback queen after years of hard work and purposely avoiding entanglements with problematic heartthrobs like her first co-star, probably Salinger, right? She's on track to revitalize her career and rearrange her priorities after a very messy and very public divorce. She's calling the shots now. Once upon a time, though, he cost her everything. He's back to make amends and promised to give her anything she wants if she'll just give him a second chance to prove he's grown up. Yeah, enemies to lover. Movie stars. Interesting. All right. This one, totally different. It's called the Sexy Misadventures of Royals series. A series. Oh my gosh, we got a series again. Happy reading from Christy Barth. See, happy reading, Christy Barth. Okay. Series. Sometimes they list, not in these, I guess. They list like other books in a series if they have them. But no. It's called The Princess Problem. Princess. Okay. What woman doesn't want to wear a tiara? Me. The one who lives in yoga pants and knows she's not special enough to be a princess. One minute I'm starting my dream life in New York City, and the next a man that's too hot for his own good is banging on the door. Hello, telling me that I'm a long-lost princess of a country on the other side of the Atlantic. Well, not your typical Friday night in the Big Apple. Suddenly, all of my plans for the future are yanked away. I'm trapped in a life filled with social obligations and stilettos, royal family, blah, blah, blah. Oh my gosh. Well, at least the aforementioned sexalicious man, he's sexalicious. His name's Elias. He's her constant shadow, protecting her with his life. It's just overwhelming, overwhelming. So I put him in charge of my happiness too, and he is taking my orders very, very seriously. So seriously, I'm falling for him even harder than the new country that I'm coming to maybe love. Can you imagine you wake up one day, somebody knocks on your door, hey, lady, you're a princess. You need to go to the country you're a princess of. Come on, let's go. And all of a sudden you're royal? That would be weird, right? Yeah. Okay, so very interesting. Okay. Oh, there's many rules about being a royal, and the one that she knows for sure is that there is no way that a princess can date her bodyguard. Well, don't date him then. Just, secretly go off and have a fling with him. Whatever. Oh, wow. Okay, so yeah, that would be interesting. Yeah. The princess problem. All right, you guys. So those are the 2 books that I got in the romance reveal book box for April. April, again, way behind. I don't know. Then I got books I bought to show you too. So, Anyhow, they both sound really good. I mean, movie stars, princesses, sound good, right? All right. That's what I got, you guys. So, until next time, happy reading. Which one would you read first? Which one sounds more appealing to you? I don't know. They both sound really good. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.